So, hello, Mr. Dila. Nice to meet you in Jordan. Can you make a brief introduction for you and your company to all Wismel fans?
Yes, sure. Thank you. You are welcome here.
Thank you.
We are Ibn Rushd from Jordan. We started working of the dental department from 1996, and we are so happy we work with you.
Thank you.
Really.
Do you still remember how long we worked together?
Around 5 to 6 years.
Yes,
Around
yes, that's a long time.
Yeah, it's a long
so
time.
During this time, do you have some special memory for special story with you and with me?
Sure. يعني, so especially with Millie and Vicky. Really, all of your stuff very kind and smart.
Thank you very much. And so, how do you think about for Wismel products?
What we used before, all the unique and quality, and the price it is great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, for Wismel is growing also very fast. Do you have something to say and or some wishes to Wismel to be working together?
Sure. We wish you successful more and more, because really your company it is the best company from my side.
Thank you.
What we work with it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.